This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to play Portal Multiplayer. The game features a fantastic two-player cooperative campaign, completely separate from the single-player story. You and a friend will control two unique robots, Atlas and Peabody, embarking on a series of challenging tests. This mode truly emphasizes teamwork, as you'll need to coordinate your actions and portal placements to overcome obstacles. It's an incredibly rewarding experience, designed for two minds working as one. Getting started with Portal's cooperative mode is quite straightforward. First, launch the game and navigate to the main menu. From there, simply select the Play Cooperative Game option. You can then invite a friend directly from your friends list to join your online session. If you're looking for a quick match, there's also a convenient Find Partner Online button. For those playing together in the same room, just plug in a second controller and choose the local co-op option to begin your adventure. In the cooperative campaign, you and your partner will each wield a portal gun, allowing for a total of 4 portals to be active simultaneously. This opens up a vast array of complex puzzles that demand precise coordination. Communication is paramount. You'll constantly need to discuss strategies and timing for placing your blue, orange, red, and purple portals. The campaign is structured into 5 distinct courses, each containing numerous test chambers designed specifically for 2 players to conquer together. To truly excel in Portal's cooperative tests, remember that each player has their own distinct portal colors. Keeping track of who placed which portal is crucial for complex maneuvers. Don't forget to use the in-game ping system to draw your partner's attention to specific buttons, platforms, or puzzle elements. Many solutions require thinking beyond the obvious, so try to visualize paths in 3 or even 4 dimensions. Experimentation with portal placement and precise timing will often lead you to victory.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.